Welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's session, we are going to learn about data communication. What is data communication? Data communication means sending and receiving information between two or more devices like computers or phones. The data like text, images or videos is first changed into signals, electrical or wireless, that travel through a communication channel like cables or Wi-Fi. When the signals reach the receiving device, they are converted back into the original data so the receiver can understand it. There are four characteristics for effective data communication system. Let's we discuss one by one. First one, delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. Accuracy. The system must deliver the data without error and accuracy. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. Jitter. Jitter refers to the variations in the packet arrival time. Next one is component. A data communication system has 5 components. Let me discuss one by one. Message. A message is the actual information being sent between two parties. This could be text, audio, images, videos or links. For example, when you send a chat or email, that content is the message. Next component is sender. The sender is the person, device or computer that creates and sends the message to someone else. For example, when you type and send a message on your phone acts as the sender. Next, receiver. The receiver is the person or device that gets the message from the sender. After receiving it, the receiver might respond or acknowledge the message. For example, when your friend reads your message and replies, their device is the receiver. Medium or channel. The medium is the path or connection that the message travels through between the sender and receiver. It could be a physical wire like Ethernet cables or wireless signals like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Without a medium, communication can't happen. Protocols. Protocols are the rules and standards that devices follow to communicate properly. They make sure messages are sent, received and understood correctly. For example, TCP or IP is a common set of protocols used on the internet. There are 3 types of data flow: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Let me discuss one by one. Simplex. Simplex is a one-way communication where data flows in only one direction. Only the sender can send and the receiver just listen without sending anything back. Example, a speaker or a TV broadcast. The sound or video goes from the source to you, but you don't send anything back. Half duplex. Half duplex allows two-way communication, but only one side can send data at a time. The sender sends a message and once the receiver gets it, they respond. They take turns talking. Example, walkie-talkies. One person speaks while the other listens, then they switch. Full duplex means two-way communication happens simultaneously. Both sender and receiver can send and receive data at the same time without waiting. Example, mobile phone calls. You and the person you are talking to can speak and listen at the same time. Applications of data communication. Data communication connects computers and devices into networks, allowing them to share information and resources. This connection has many useful applications, such as video conferences. People in different places can see and talk to each other live using video calls, which helps in meetings and online classes. Parallel computing. Multiple computers work together on the same problem at the same time to complete tasks faster. Resource sharing. Devices like printers and storage devices can be shared across a network, so everyone can use them without needing individual devices. Exchange of information, emails and FTP. Information sharing using the web or internet. Websites and online services let people access and share amounts of information anytime, anywhere. Interaction using dynamic web pages. Users can interact with websites that update content in real time, like social media, online shopping, and forums. IP phones. Phones that use the internet allow people to make calls over data networks instead of traditional phone lines. Instant messaging. Apps like WhatsApp or Messenger let users send text, voice, and video messages instantly. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more tech explainers.